Hi, I'm Joe, the founder of the Chimney Scientists, the third largest chimney company in the United States currently by revenue. We are looking to partner with HVAC companies for inspections and installations. What sets us apart from other mom and pops are our size and our quality accountability model. We currently service 11 counties from the Poconos to the shore and are continually growing while you grow your footprint. We also have enough staff to handle emergency calls. Second is quality control. You cannot see any of the work that chimney companies do, so how do you or the homeowner know that it's being done correctly and up to code? There are three parts of our accountability model. The first is our employee compensation for installers. So our installers are not hourly employees just punching the clock, and they're not 100% commission employees. They are salaried employees. They get a small bonus for every job they complete that makes up 10 to 20% of their income. In order to get that bonus, they have to fill out something called a job checklist while they're working. It says the floors are clean, the walkway's clean, the roof is clean of any job-related debris. They have to sign it. The homeowner has to sign it. They have to turn it in. The other thing they have to do is they have to take photos inside the chimney while they're working and upload them to our software where our quality control manager can see everything in real time. This way, if there's any issues, the quality control manager can call them and say, hey, I need you to touch this up. This prevents callbacks or issues in the future. The next part of our quality control process is our follow-up. So before we go to do an installation, we have a quality control coordinator that is calling a customer with a set of questions. Some of those questions include, do you have any animals in the home that we need to be aware of? Are there any shrubs or anything that we need to take extra care around? Where should we be parking when we come to the job site? This puts the homeowner at ease before we even get there. Then when the job is completely complete, a day later, our quality control coordinator is following up saying, hey, how did everything go? And is there anything at all that we need to do differently? Is there anything more that you need from us? If we need to go back out, the quality control manager will actually go out on site, take care of whatever's going wrong, and make sure that that customer is satisfied. If not, the quality control coordinator will finish it on the phone and then send out a thank you card, thanking them for the work. This model has enabled us to grow rapidly, and that's why we're the third largest chimney company by revenue in the United States at this time. We are looking to act as subcontractors, referral partners, or provide complimentary inspections to your customers while providing you, the partner, a referral share. I would relish the opportunity to discuss further how we could continue to grow together.